Okay, so we just finished the browser creation, the profile setup creation, the proxy creation, and also like the Outlook and Google account creation and binding it with Google. Okay, everything we have just finished. Now let's talk about the logs, how you can like use the logs, how you, because we have to set the profile in a very different way right now. Okay, so let's talk about logs now. Okay, I told you that these logs, you can get these logs from me, okay, without any problem. But I told you that I have not yet released my shop for Telegram, because that will be in an automatic bot that will just give you the logs instantly. Okay, no waiting time, just instantly. Okay, and these logs cost around $5-6, not more than that. Okay, now we need logs. So I told you the logs, how you can find them. Now I will show you how the log actually looks like and how we can use this log to create a Google Ads account. Okay, now go back here. Now I will go here. Let's minimize this one. Okay, this is Dolphin, this is our proxy. Okay, so this is what log looks like. Okay, it's in either in RAR format or in zip format. Okay, so you need to extract the log. For example, this is one log. Okay, and right now I do not know which country is it. So how you can find it? First of all, you need to extract the log using WinRAR. So I will click on WinRAR and I will click here extract to this one. Okay, so now it has been extracted. So I will open it. So once you open it, you will see like this. Okay, let me change the view to icons like this. Okay, you will see like this extensions, Google Fast Check, you will see CC. Okay, and you will see the you will see the password, system information. Okay, everything is here, and this one the tags. Okay, now what you have to do, first of all, once you extract the log, you need to click on system information. Okay, you'll need to scroll down, like it will give you the information about the system, like the IP address. First of all, you can see IP information is AU means Australia. Okay, so here you can see this is the IP address. So we need to do IP spoofing. Okay, so I will tell you right now in this session how you can do IP spoofing. Okay, and other things. Okay, it will be a very long video, so I hope you have a good time to have keen attention towards it. Okay, you can see this IP address, this is about the system information, etc., installed applications, all that. Okay, I told at the first, the logs are like these are the stolen things from the real users. Okay, now how you can do IP spoofing. Okay, so here we need to do IP spoofing. Okay, we need to do IP spoofing. Okay, spoofing. Okay, so how you can do that? All you have to do, first of all, you need to just check the IP address, whether it's correct or not, whether the country is actually. So for example, this is my browser. I will go to my IP simply. Okay, here I will go to this. I'll recommend you to use this website, ipaddress.my. Okay, this one. Okay, just open this website. Okay, now in order to check whether this information is correct, like this one which we got from the logs, this one IP information, you need to just copy the IP address, copy it. Okay, now here search for the IP address here, or click on the address bar and then put a slash and paste the IP address. Okay, then enter. You can see this is the IP address, and you can check the flag. It's of Australia, I guess, right? And you can check all the things. The city is the Melbourne, country is Australia, state is the Victoria, latitude, longitude, everything is here. Okay, zip code. Now how we can do IP spoofing? So for that, I told you at first that we need to definitely use PIA proxy. Okay, now I will open PIA proxy. Here you need to just select country as Australia, AU. Okay, then refresh. Now go back here, check the city. So copy the city, Melbourne, go here, click on my state, paste this one. Okay, I will here, city, Melbourne. Okay, Melbourne. Okay, refresh. Okay, state is the Victoria. Now for the IP address, go back to this, and here you need to copy this thing. Okay, copy it and go back here to PIA proxy. Here click on IP and paste it. Click on refresh. You can see there are no proxies here, but just remove like these you can see we got one IP address here. You can see this is of same, the first two digits, like the first two the first five, these are same. So we can just copy it, but the state, you can see it's a different one, it's New South Wales. So we'll refresh it, we'll go refresh again until we find like this the IP of South Wales, sorry, of Melbourne. Let's remove this one, let's put 59.10. there is no one. If you do not find, then I recommend you to use like any IP of Melbourne, okay, of any like also do one thing, check the like the zip code. Go here, let's copy the zip code, go back here, let's find, paste the zip here, let's refresh. Okay, now you can see now the proxies are almost like of the same user. Okay, now we'll go here and we will just need this proxy. So for that, first of all, we will try to create a new profile. So I will open Dolphin NT. Okay, I'll click on create a profile. Here I will set logs it. Okay, logs Australia AU. Okay, now here I'll set it to ready. Okay, now the Windows Google, here select no proxy, sorry, new proxy. So here let's use this one and forward it to port number 40002. So I'll copy it, I'll go back to Dolphin, I'll paste it, set it to SOX 5, sorry, yeah, let's remove this thing. Okay, now check the connection, wait for some time. You can see connected with Victoria, Melbourne, Australia. Now scroll down, we need now cookies. Okay, now one more thing, just here click on, first of all let's complete the IP spoofing thing. Now here click on noise, the same thing I told you. Now here noise as well, it is 16.8. okay, and do not click on create. Okay, our new profile has been created, okay, which is of Australia. Now what we have to do, go back here to logs. Okay, now this was about the system information. Now we need some more details. This one, now click on this one, Google Fast Check, click on it. Now click on this one, user agent. You will see like you will get some information like this. Okay, this one. Okay, so here you need to click on user agent and you need to just copy this thing, copy it, go back to copy it. Okay, go back to Dolphin NT. Okay, here click on edit. Okay, scroll down. Now this user agent, select this all. Okay, remove it and paste this one you get from the cookies. Okay, now here click on save. Okay, now one more thing we need is the cookies. Okay, so for that you need to just go back here. Okay, this is the cookies in JSON format or in Netscape format. Now go back here, click on this one, edit. Okay, then here click on cookies from files, click on it. Now import the cookies you get from like from your logs. Okay, so I will open this one here. This is Google Fast Check. You will see cookies in JSON or Netscape. So I will try to import the JSON format. I will click on open. Okay, you can see JSON format, cookies found 1245. Okay, this is how you can just create a log, how you can just import a log. Okay, so everything is now fine. So I will just close this one. Okay, now let's start the log. So this was about how you can just import log details, IP spoofing, user agent details, everything of a real. That means it will look like that you are the actual person who is running this account. Okay, because everything is similar. Our IP address, our location, our user agent, everything is fine. Okay, now in the next video I will tell you how you can set up a Google Ads account inside it. Okay.